Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the legendary world of classic speedboats, featuring one of the most iconic wooden boats ever built, the Gar Wood Speedster. This masterpiece is a blend of history, craftsmanship, and raw power on the water. So, let's get started. Gar Wood, a pioneer of high-performance boats, revolutionized speedboating in the early 20th century. The Speedster, often called the gentleman's runabout, is a fine example of his engineering genius. Built with premium mahogany wood and powered by a robust engine, this boat is a collector's dream. Gar Wood was an American engineer, inventor, and boat racer who dominated the racing world during the 1920s and 1930s. He was the first man to exceed 100 miles per hour on water and won the prestigious Harmsworth Trophy multiple times. His passion for speed led to the creation of the Gar Wood Speedster, a boat designed not just for competition but also for luxury and elegance. The Speedster is handcrafted from the finest mahogany, giving it a stunning vintage look. Every curve and detail reflect precision craftsmanship. The sleek, aerodynamic hull reduces drag, allowing for smooth gliding over the water. The seating area is designed for comfort, with leather upholstery that complements the classic wooden finish. Under the hood, the Gar Wood Speedster houses a powerful V8 engine, capable of producing up to 300 horsepower. Some models even had modified Ford flathead V8s or Chrysler Marine engines, pushing them to speeds of over 50 miles per hour. A remarkable feat for a boat of that era. What makes the Gar Wood Speedster so special? Well, it's not just about speed, it's about heritage. Each boat is a masterpiece, handcrafted with attention to detail. Owning one is like owning a piece of history, a symbol of a bygone era when wooden boats ruled the waters. Due to their rarity, original Gar Wood Speedsters are highly valuable. Restored models can sell for anywhere between $100,000 to $300,000 at auctions. Enthusiasts spend years restoring them, ensuring every detail matches the original craftsmanship. The Gar Wood Speedster is more than just a boat, it's a legend. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates classic craftsmanship, this boat is a true icon of marine history. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic boat reviews. Let me know in the comments what legendary boat you want to see next. Until next time, this is Sir Boats Yacht signing off.